Good morning, folks. It's Wolf Diego from beautiful East Las Vegas. It's the last day of November 2021, and we're getting somewhere now on the Henderson Castle warehouse. Take a look. Good job, Sean.
Put two of these on both sides.
Another YouTube wonder today. You're gonna be famous. So yeah, we got the EPA cleanup going on out here at the warehouse that I kept telling you about. After the burn, you got to have the EPA clean it up. Several $1,000s, like $40,000-$50,000 for cleanup in total. I think you're getting about $35,000 up front. Take a look. Got to have everything safety secure. That hazmat. Yep, it's unbelievable. Government regulations nowadays, but you got to have it if you want to survive and stay in business in today's world. You got to be safe and secure. So, back in the day, we didn't care about our health that much. Nowadays, it's a priority. So, it's a good thing, I guess. Just the rules are always changing. You know, you start out with one set of rule books, and then it changes to another set, and it costs a small business owner lots of money to stay ahead of the curve. So anyway, folks, this is surviving in today's world in Las Vegas, Nevada. But hopefully today I'm getting some kind of transportation to get the hell out of here. I don't want to be stuck in this desert any longer than I have to. You know, I want to be down there in my bug out zone in Mexico. Plus I miss my little woman too. So, you know, just one step at a time. But in just 2 or 3 weeks, it's been about 3 weeks now since I've been here. We've accomplished a lot. We've kept the place safe and secure so that the thieves didn't carry it off. We got stuff away from the building so the EPA can come in and do their thing. And as soon as I secure transportation and take care of Mom's medical, I'm out of here. And getting back to Tijuana and Mexico. I did acquire a lot of good bug out stuff though over here. That's a good thing. Ray had a lot of stuff in his junk piles even. You know. Over there's my gravity wood chipper over there. I'll take that or something. Got some tools out of here. Kerosene heater over there I'm working on. Got my campfire, my portable campfire stove over there. I don't know what else I'm going to take with me, but I may end up with just a small car instead of a truck. But you got to make do with what you got. I just need transportation and something to sleep in. Securely sleep in, you know. So, take a look. Yeah, there's the hazmat suit I was telling you about. Got to do it right. Okay, folks, I'll be glad when I'm bugging out of Las Vegas, that's for sure. So, okay, I'll talk to you again, but hopefully next time I talk to you, I'll be on my way out of town. Las Vegas will just be in my rear view mirror. So, thank you, take care, and God bless.